In Central Africa, every pot tells a story, and every spice carries the echo of generations. We begin in Cameroon, where the bitter taste of no meets the creamy comfort of peanuts. Women wash bitter leaves under running water until they lose their sting, then blend them with ground nuts, crayfish, and tender beef. The result is a stew so rich, it balances bitterness with sweetness, just like life itself. Ndole is strength food, giving protein for the muscles, iron for the blood, and energy for hard farm work. And then there is achu soup, where pounded cocoyam melts into palm oil and spices, eaten with fingers, reminding us that food here is meant to be shared. Cross into the Central African Republic, and you will smell maboki before you see it. Fresh fish is cleaned, seasoned with garlic, chili, and lemon, then wrapped in green banana leaves and placed on the fire. The steam rises, carrying a fragrance that draws families together. Rich in protein and omega oils, maboki keeps the heart strong and the mind sharp. To eat maboki is to eat both the river and the forest, the land and water joined in one dish. Further north in Chad, simplicity becomes genius. Their dish, doroba, is a vegetable stew born from the soil itself. Okra, sweet potatoes, and eggplants simmer slowly with peanut paste. The pot thickens into a sticky, earthy delight, nourishing the body with fiber, vitamins, and protein. Doroba is not only food, it is medicine, easing digestion and giving long-lasting strength in a land of dry winds and hot suns. From Chad we journey into the green heart of the Democratic Republic of Congo, where the most beloved dish is sokosoka, cassava leaves pounded until soft, cooked with palm oil, onions, and smoked fish. It is deep green, full of iron, calcium, and protein. To the Congolese, this too is survival. It keeps bones strong, blood rich, and bellies full. Children grow on it, elders thrive on it. It is the taste of home itself. Across the river in the Republic of Congo, we meet mom chicken slow-cooked in palm butter with tomatoes and chili. The sauce is red, thick, and full of life. Every spoon carries warmth, giving protein for growth, vitamin E for energy, and the rich fats that sustain farmers and traders alike. This dish is not just eaten, it is celebrated. Then we sail to the small but fiery kitchens of Equatorial Guinea, where pepper soup rules the table. A hot, spicy fish soup cooked with chili peppers, onions, and spices. It is medicine disguised as food, clearing the sinuses, healing the body, and sharpening the senses. To taste pepper soup is to feel fire and water dance on your tongue. In Gabon, we return to palm fruit, but this time with nyambui chicken. The chicken is slow simmered in a sauce pressed from palm nuts, golden and oily, spiced with onions and garlic. Rich in minerals, protein, and energy, it is a dish for celebrations. A symbol that life, like palm oil, can be both bitter and sweet. Sailing out into the Atlantic, we land on São Tomé and Príncipe, where the sea rules the kitchen. Their dish, kaliolu, combines fish, beans, palm oil, and okra into a thick, nourishing stew. It is the marriage of ocean and land, giving balanced nutrition that sustains islanders against both hunger and fatigue. Kaliolu is harmony in a pot. And finally, in Angola, we taste the world-famous momba de galinha, chicken stewed with okra, garlic, chili, and tomatoes in rich palm oil. It is a dish that defines Angolan hospitality, spicy and filling, made for sharing. Mombe gives energy, strengthens bones, and warms the spirit. Across Central Africa, food is more than recipes. It is history written in fire, water, and earth. But remember this, some dishes are more than nourishment. Some carry secrets of rituals, survival, and even forbidden flavors. Stay with me, because on Roots and Recipes, we are not just eating. We are uncovering the soul of Africa. Thank you for watching. Subscribe to watch the delicious Southern African recipes.